Saturday, 13th of July, 1985 was an iconic day for music with Live Aid. Hey, welcome to the Sound Museum. I'm Leo, and for today's video, I'm taking you back to 1985 Live Aid. This was a huge concert over 2 continents, one at Wembley Stadium in London and one in Philadelphia in the US. Such an amazing event for music. And this week on my podcast, I'm celebrating the music of the band, the Thompson Twins. Now, I love this band from the 80s because one of the members of the band came from Auckland. I grew up in Auckland, and it was so cool seeing Alana Curry part of this huge band that went all over the world. So let's take a look at their live performance of the iconic track Hold Me Now at Live Aid. That's Alana Curry. Look at that crowd. There was, I don't know how many people there, but thousands of people at that stadium. This is the long version, I think. It's a long introduction, but Tom Bailey is the lead singer, in case you don't know that. Alana Curry was on percussion, and the third member, Joe Leeway, is on, I think, bass. Actually, he's on percussion. Okay, this is the live vocal from Tom Bailey as well. So in the 80s, a lot of bands used to mime or lip sync on TV shows. It was a very common thing. There were no in-ear monitors back in those days. So it was all kind of, quick and go. Get into the studio, record your song, next one. It's all kind of quick. So it's a lot easier to have artists to mime on these TV shows. But this is definitely live.
You and me and we're laughing with love. Look at our life now, tattered and torn, yeah, fresh bites and light and
80s fashion, that hair, it's from an era where there were no rules, there were probably no stylists. It was all kind of organic, all kind of free, and you can just do what you want, wear what you want. Your music was cutting edge and really, I don't know, it was just a different time. There were a lot more experimentation with sound and with songs, and Thompson Twins had some amazing videos, so make sure you check them out here on YouTube.
we cry until dawn.
Hold Me Now is such an iconic song. It's the band's biggest hit. It was a huge hit all over the world from their album Into the Gap. Even today, I still hear it on radio. It was in the movie The Wedding Singer, so it's a really an iconic song, and no 80s playlist would be without the song. must be an amazing moment for them performing with such a massive crowd, this amazing event, Live Aid, back in 1985. It really was the pinnacle of live performance because there were millions and millions of people watching all over the world at the same time. And it was just an amazing event, Live Aid. There's some footage on YouTube. I've also got the DVD actually, which I'll try and get out after this video. I've always loved the song, loved this performance. They also did a cover of the Beatles track Revolution, and for that live performance, joining them on stage was Nile Rodgers and Madonna. I know, Madonna with Thompson Twins on stage. Incredible. Really great live band as well. You've got percussion, you've got keys. And they're having a great time, you can just tell, right? See, back in those days, there were no really short songs. There was no like 2-minute 30 TikTok songs back in the 80s. Everything was like, 3, 4, 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes even. Different time, but yeah, just an amazing time for music. The lyrics to the song are incredible. Hold Me Now is one of those songs where you just know it's from the 80s, but you just know it was from an amazing time in music. And I think the Thompson Twins' legacy, some of their songs are just up there as far as 80s iconic songs go. They sound really good here, and the backing vocals are quite high in the mix. Could have been a bit lower, but overall, this is a really good live performance from Thompson Twins. Break it down a bit. Wow, that was live from Live Aid in July 1985. I can't believe it was that long ago, but that was the Thompson Twins live from Live Aid with Hold Me Now. Now, I wasn't going to do this for this video, but I'm going to dig out my Live Aid DVD. Hang tight. This is it. This is my Live Aid DVD. And that's the back of it there. Let's just take you through the inside. It sort of comes out like that, and it sort of opens out to there. How cool is this? So it basically folds out into this an amazing DVD. And it actually comes with 4 discs as well, which is amazing. And this is the little booklet that it comes with. It basically has the track listing for each disc as well. So disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 4, and heaps of footage from Live Aid. The story of Band-Aid, which was from 1984 with Bob Geldof. Do They Know It's Christmas? And then it's got some footage of London and just more. It's a really good booklet actually that comes with the DVD. And this is Philadelphia, which we've just been watching with the Thompson Twins. I don't think there will be another event like Live Aid. It was just on another level. It was just an amazing concert. And to have this on DVD is incredible. This is about the DVD. It's the back of it there. But yeah, that's my original Live Aid DVD pack, the 4-disc set, which is there. You can probably still get it online from online store, but yeah, a fantastic DVD. I mean, you've got so many legends on this DVD. You've got, you know, David Bowie, U2, Madonna, Elton John, Tina Turner, Dire Straits, Queen, In Excess, Duran Duran, Spandau Ballet, Cliff Richard, The Who, The Beach Boys. Yeah, just an iconic time for music. So I really hope you've enjoyed that reaction to the Thompson Twins' Hold Me Now live at Live Aid and my unscheduled unboxing of the Live Aid DVD. Thank you again for watching. If you can like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Until next time, you take great care of yourself.